Is your gear knob looking like this? It doesn't have to cost a fortune to upgrade. This leather and aluminium gear knob is only €13.67 excluding VAT, and it's really cool. In true Schmiedmann style, this gear knob brings your 5-speed manual up to speed. Do you need more budget-friendly fixes? Let us know in the comments below what I should present to you. Go to schmiedmann.com for all the budget-friendly upgrades you need for your BMW and Mini. Always the lowest prices on parts and with worldwide delivery.